Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious recipe, crispy shrimp tacos that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I want to start here first with the shrimp. It's been deveined, cleaned, and now I am ready to cut it in small little cubes. Yes, cut it in small little cubes. I have 2 pounds of medium shrimp, and I am going to continue cutting them in small little cubes, and then I'll show you what is the next step. Look at this. Very easy to prepare that I know that you could make it at home. Of course, the hibiscus adobo you already have on my channel. Once your shrimp is already diced, add a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and then mix. Remember that the salt is to taste. So here I'm just adding salt and black pepper, and let me show you how they look. They're nice and coated with the salt and black pepper. Here on my pan, I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil, and I am going to cook the shrimp until they become nice and pink. And it really doesn't take too long. Once they're nice and pink, you are ready to remove. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. You want the shrimp to still be nice and juicy and tender. I'm going to remove it, put it in a plate, let it rest so it comes to room temperature. And here I have my tortillas that I'm getting nice and warm, because to make these amazing crispy tacos, we need to cook the tortilla first, and then we are ready to assemble. Well, here the tortillas are ready, nice and warm. And now I'm just gonna leave them here, and I am going to continue with the shrimp. This is where the magic starts. Here I am ready to add the hibiscus adobo into the shrimp. Yes, remember, when you make these amazing adobos, they really change and give the shrimp such an amazing flavor. Well, here, now that they're nice and covered, I am ready. I have all the ingredients ready. Remember, this adobo, hibiscus adobo, you have it on my channel already. I have 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of water, and I am making this paste. This paste is going to be the glue, so I could make my crispy tacos and the adobo doesn't come out, or the shrimp. Now that the tortillas are in room temperature, I'm going to add the paste, add the shrimp, and then put them aside. Look how easy this is. Remember, with this little paste, this is the glue, so the shrimp and the adobo don't come out of your crispy, amazing tacos. Well, here I'm going to stay making the rest. I'm only adding the paste to one side, and then, of course, being generous with the filling. And once this is done, I am ready to make them nice and crispy. On a pan, I have vegetable oil getting nice and hot. On this plate, I have some napkins. So when I remove the crispy tacos from the oil, I lay them on top of the napkins, and the excessive oil is going to stay in the napkins. It really doesn't take too long to get them nice and crispy. Just make sure that the oil is nice and hot so the tortilla doesn't absorb all the vegetable oil. Once this is done, as you could see, the adobo didn't come out, or the shrimp. I am going to continue crisping and getting ready on my delicious tacos. Once this is done, then I am ready to show you what I'm going to add the topping I'm going to add to my amazing crispy tacos. Shrimp tacos with this amazing hibiscus adobo. I have a cabbage here. I'm just going to slice away nice and thin, really nice and thin. Take your time when you're doing this. If you have a mandolin, we'll use a mandolin, but you want the cabbage to be really nice and thin. I have my cilantro. I'm going to dice it in small little pieces, transfer it to the same plate where I have my cabbage, and I am going to continue. If you don't like spicy food, do not add a serrano chili. I'm adding a serrano chili because I love spicy food. I'm going to add it in there. I have 1/4 of an onion that I'm going to dice in small little slices, and of course I have a tomato. I'm going to slice away. And then once you have everything ready, everything sliced, then you're ready to assemble your amazing topping onto your tacos. Of course, I'm going to add my 3 crispy tacos, some cabbage on the top, some cilantro, tomato. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Of course, don't forget you need to add your sour cream and your queso fresco right on the top. I can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit. I am completely done with these amazing shrimp tacos in the amazing hibiscus adobo. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So delicious. The taco is really crispy. The filling of the shrimp with the hibiscus adobo, just amazing, my friends. Excuse me. So delicious. And of course, with the hibiscus lemonade that you already have on my channel. So concentrated and so delicious and refreshing. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying these amazing shrimp tacos. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.